Let's play Spyro Reignited Trilogy on PlayStation 4.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system, originating from the EAS, local primary station for the state of Dorkland. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies has been tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as an earthquake, tsunami, volcanic eruption, or other regional or local emergencies that can affect your safety, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This station serves for the state of Dorkland. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system. All stations may now resume local programming.
What the heck? The emergency alert system interrupted me in the middle of my game. That's just rude. That's it. I'm going to kill that man who's responsible.
Classic Caillou. I don't know what the heck are you mad about. You need to shut the heck up and stop whining like an idiot. It really annoys me when you always complain about crap.
Dad, please. I don't have time for your jokes right now. I'm really angry right now.
Young man, what the heck are you doing here, and why do you have a gun in front of my face?
Oh, shut your pie hole and don't move a muscle, you piece of crap. This is what you get for ruining my game of Spyro Reignited Trilogy on PlayStation 4. I'm going to kill you right now.
Oh my freaking god. Classic Caillou. Why did you try to kill me in the first place? You know that doing any kind of threats can get you arrested. That does it. I'm going to beat you up for trying to kill me.
Uh-oh. I better run.
Man, it sure is a great day to walk.
Help me. Somebody.
What is the problem, Classic Caillou?
I got an emergency alert system reporter chasing after me.
Don't worry, Classic Caillou. You can come into my house where it is safe, so we can go to my room and lock the doors.
Okay.
Hey, the door's locked. I'll need some plans to break in. Oh, I think he's with Caillou. I'll get inside and beat both of them up.
Quick, in my room.
Phew. That was close.
I know. Anyways, what do you want to do now?
Let's watch Miss Madsen Entertainment Incorporated on YouTube.
Okay. That was some fantastic episodes.
I know, right? Ha 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 ha.
What was that?
It's the emergency alert system reporter. He broke into your house. So I don't think we're alone.
Wait. Did you hear that?
Yes. It sounds like the emergency alert system reporter is coming to your room. So we better not. Dang it. We're busted.
Oh yes, you both are. Caillou. I can't believe you helped Classic Caillou hide into your house and into your room. That's it. Both of you. Prepare to get beaten up by me.
Oh great. We are screwed. Totally screwed.
That really hurts a lot more.
I agree. It is very painful. What? Hey.
Hey. What the crap is going on over here?
Well, Classic Caillou tried to kill me with a gun and chased after me, and then, your son Lazy Caillou helped Classic Caillou hide into his room. I beat them up for what they did. Can you grounds him for this?
Okay. Thanks for telling us about that emergency alert system reporter.
Classic Caillou, go home now while I call your parents. Hello, Classic Caillou's parents. Your son tried to kill me with a gun. Can you ground him for this please? Okay, thanks. Goodbye. Don't worry. I called Classic Caillou's parents so they would ground him for this.
Thank you, emergency alert system reporter. You're free to go back to the EAS studio. Caillou. We can't believe you helped Classic Caillou hide into your room and got beaten up by the emergency alert system reporter. That's it. Your grounds. Get
up off the floor and go straight to bed now.
What? Hey.
Classic Caillou. We just got a call from the emergency alert system reporter. He said that you tried to kill him with a gun. Why did you try to kill the emergency alert system reporter?
Because he interrupted me in the middle of my Spyro Reignited trilogy. So that's why I tried to kill EAS reporter to death.
I don't give a crap about that. You're grounded. Go
back to your room right now and think about what you've done, or else we will jump you to Volcano Lake using Go Animate Rap Logic.
God dang it. I wished IntelliStar 2233 XD and all of Yaus and Sheeples didn't exist.